2018 Cadillac ATS review. If it's street-legal thrills you're looking for, you'll find it with the 2018 Cadillac ATS. This sporty small car doesn't stand up as well as a daily driver, though, as evidenced by its mid-pack standing in RS. New for 2018. No major changes. Pros and cons. Robust engine lineup. Engaging driving dynamics. Long list of standard features. Excellent crash test ratings. Quirky and distracting infotainment system. Cramped back seat. One of the smallest trunks in the class. Poor gas mileage. The 2018 Cadillac ATS is a genuine sports sedan that gives Germany's best a run for their money. Acceleration is brisk and satisfying with any of the three engines, though the twin-turbocharged V6 in the ATS V is especially grind-inducing. Fuel economy is mediocre, but you likely won't care because you'll be too busy carving through canyons to notice. There are three engines available for the ATS, starting with a 272 horsepower, turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder that feels quick and lively. Like the other engines in the lineup, this four-cylinder comes standard with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Some trim levels also come with a choice of a 6-speed manual transmission. Criticisms of this engine are not with acceleration, but with refinement, as it can feel loud and coarse in some circumstances. It also has a below-average fuel economy rating of 22 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. If you want more oomph, step up to the naturally aspirated 3.6-liter V6. Included in the premium luxury and premium performance trims, this 335 horsepower engine is more robust than the four-cylinder. It lowers fuel consumption through cylinder deactivation, automatically shutting off a portion of the engine when you aren't accelerating. This active fuel management system helps the V6 earn a 20 miles per gallon city 30 mpg highway fuel economy rating, which is respectable for a V6 engine. The ultimate in ATS performance lies in the V series. Its 464 horsepower 3.6-liter V6 employs twin turbochargers and is capable of reaching 60 miles per hour in a bracing 3.8 seconds. When it comes to fit and finish, the 2018 Cadillac ATS has one of the nicest cabins in the class, and an abundance of standard features add value and entertainment opportunities. A small trunk, a cramped rear seat, and issues with the infotainment system mar its interior score. ATS seating capacity depends on the body style. The four-door sedan holds 5 people, and the two-door coupe has room for 4. Synthetic leather seats are standard, and upgrades like genuine leather, 8-way power-adjustable front seats, heated front seats, power front side bolsters, and a heated steering wheel are available. For child safety seats, the ATS has 2 sets of lower anchors and 3 tether anchors. Coupe models only have 2 tether anchors. It's fairly easy to fit and install most types of car seats using the latch hardware. Like many small luxury cars, passenger space isn't overly abundant in the ATS. This won't bother those in the front seats, which are roomy and comfortable, but the back seats are cramped and narrow, especially in the ATS coupe. The base ATS infotainment system consists of Cadillac's Q infotainment interface, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, an 8-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth, 3 USB ports, satellite radio, a Bose 10-speaker sound system, OnStar 4G LTE with a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, and wireless charging for enabled smartphones. A rear-view camera, teen driver assist, dual-zone climate control, and proximity keyless entry are also included. Available options include navigation, a 110-volt household-style outlet, a sunroof, remote start, front and rear parking sensors, a safety alert seat, a following distance indicator, forward collision alert, lane change alert with blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, lane keep assist with departure warning, rain sensing windshield wipers, automatic high beams, adaptive cruise control, front and rear automatic emergency braking, and a head-up display. Both the ATS Coupe and ATS Sedan have a 10.4 cubic foot trunk. That's one of the smallest cargo capacities in the class.